What is up? It's your boy here bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we got an informative one. So we're gonna be talking about my experience with owning a 4-cylinder Toyota Tacoma. Now, a lot of people are interested in this. A lot of people want to know, is this like an actual option? Everyone talks about it. Everyone says it's awesome. Everyone loves it, but there's no YouTuber that makes content on it on a daily basis. I started making a little bit of content on it, and then I ended up getting a V6. So we're gonna be talking all about that and more in today's video. So please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. But without further ado, let's get right into the video. Now I know Mumphy, he's gonna ask, Aang, buddy, why are you in the truck? Look, dude, there's rain everywhere. I can't get away from it. So, PNC, I hope you don't I hope you don't mind me using your parking spaces for a little bit, just for a little bit. I hope you guys are having a great day. I know I am. I was just at home about to edit this video when my file was corrupted. So it was like the best feeling ever. I had already recorded this video like 3 days ago, and I was so excited to edit it because I made so many good jokes, but now you're just gonna have to take my word for it. There were many laughs that you would have had, but technology. Honestly, I don't know if I was that funny in that video, but we'll never know, so I might as well try to give myself some credit. Nonetheless, let's get right into the video. So yes, subscribers, viewers, everyone asked me, Aang, what happened to the 4-cylinder? Aang, what happened? Why did you sell it? Aang, why do you look so good? Come on now. I don't know, I think it's the hats. So let's start from the very beginning on how I actually got there. I needed a truck. No, I lied. I needed a vehicle. What better way to set yourself up as an 18-year-old but to go and get crippling debt on a vehicle? It sounds like a great plan. So I did my research. I got online, Rob Motive, Gear Runner, Tundra Dude 34, Jesse Rizzo. I was watching all of their videos religiously, commenting, what do you think about this truck? What do you think about this truck? What do you think about this truck? And I knew it. I knew exactly what I was gonna get, a 1794 Toyota Tundra or a TRD Pro Toyota Tacoma. I was a little bit torn between the two. I got to the dealership, my pocket was not torn at all. Not at all. It knew exactly what we could afford, and it was the 4-cylinder 2-wheel drive Toyota Tacoma. So we ended up getting that, and I'll be honest with you, I was stoked. I was so happy that I could finally be an automotive YouTuber. I was like, I've made it. Like, I'm literally gonna be famous now. I got like 1 or 2 compliments every now and then yeah, it didn't really happen. So I started making YouTube videos on the Tacoma, and I loved it, and I was excited, and I was like, I'm gonna modify it, I'm gonna do so many things. And then comments started to come in, right? Comments started to come in about, oh, that truck is not fast enough, isn't strong enough. Oh, you should have got a 4x4. So many comments started to come in, and they really got to me, I'm not gonna lie. They got to me, and I was starting to think, well, maybe I should get a V6. Maybe I should get that. Maybe I should do this. Maybe I should do that. I'm a strong believer of ignorance is bliss, because at first, when I would put my foot down in the 4-cylinder, I mean, I could probably be to the moon and back before I finished this last sentence. And it was awesome. I loved it. The first weekend I got it, I mean, like 80 miles an hour straight to the beach. I mean, clean to the beach, ECT power on if I wanted a little boost, flying. I loved it, I loved it, I loved it. But then I started to see, yeah, it was a little bit sluggish. Highway driving, awesome. You can do it all day long. But city driving, it wasn't too great. It was very sluggish off the line, very slow. By the time you got up to speed, you were already at another stop sign or a red light, so it wasn't the most functional in the city. And that's actually one of the other reasons I got it. Miles per gallon. I couldn't afford, to be filling up a Tundra at the time, still can't, but I was like, okay, well, let's see. I was like, okay, we can buy this 4-cylinder and get great gas mileage, and that didn't happen, like, at all. The gas mileage on that thing was not what they make it out to be. Some people say it's good, some people say it's great. I've had both, and I realized that go with the V6. As if you're going for gas mileage, the V6 will do just as good, if not better. So that's where we're at. So that's why I bought it, right? Because I couldn't afford anything else, and also because I thought it was also going to be better on gas. Why I sold it? Yeah, I still struggle with that now. Sometimes I think I should have sold the Corolla, kept the 4-cylinder Tacoma, and then bought a V6, but then 2 of the same vehicles. Sandy doesn't really, fan, so we can't do that. But nonetheless, I don't know why I sold it. Well, I know why. I just don't want to admit it that, well, YouTube comments and people's influence changed the reason why I got it. That's why I'm so strong on it now. If it makes you happy, do it, because that's all that matters. But also for the simple reason that I really want to do YouTube. Like, I want to take YouTube very seriously, but I also, like, if I'm off YouTube, I want to be happy. And with the 4-cylinder, nice, it was cool, as a daily commuter, if anything, I could be okay with it. But I wouldn't be able to off-road since it was only rear wheel drive. I wouldn't be able to modify it because, well, the more weight you put on it, the more it's gonna strain the engine. It's just not gonna be pleasant, so that's another reason. So that's it. Why I bought it, why I sold it. Now let's talk about, do I regret it? Do I regret it? Kind of. A little bit, sort of. I'm glad that I had it. I'm glad that I sold it. I'm upset that I sold it. Am I in this one now wishing I had the other one? Not at all. I love my V6. I love my 4x4. I love the features that I have in this truck. It's perfect. I love this truck very, very much. The only reason I feel bad that I sold it is because that engine is the most reliable engine Toyota makes to this day. They got rid of the 5.7, they got rid of the 4.6, and that 2.7, I believe, is the best. Like 1.2 million mile engine. It is a phenomenal engine. I love it so freaking much. For the little time that I had it, now I'm starting to regret it. Yeah. But nonetheless, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. To the subscriber who has the 4-cylinder Tacoma, I believe it's an SR5, let us know. Let us know down below in the comment section. How do you feel about the 4-cylinder? I'm rooting for you. I'm team SR5 4-cylinder. I think it's an amazing truck. I hope you agree with me. But yeah, I'm interested. Let us know. If you have a 4-cylinder as well, let me know in the comment section. Have you driven the V6? Is there that much of a difference? My opinion, not so much. But nonetheless, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. It's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Single tomorrow. Peace.